Hi guys, today's recipe is going to be badam katli or almond barfi. It's so easy to make. You start by greasing a stainless steel plate or a non-stick any tray with some ghee and set that aside. Now take some almonds in a bowl, pour over really hot water over it and let it sit for just 10 minutes. What it does it softens the skin, and if you rub it between your fingers the peel will just come off easily. So the almonds are peeled now. Now take the almonds in a blender and you have to pulse it few times. Don't grind it else it will get pasty. So pulse the almonds few times so it gets nice and crumbly. So set that aside, and in a non-stick pan take sugar and add in some water. Now put it on heat and cook till the sugar is little bit dissolved. No need to cook it till 1 string, 2 string, nothing. Till the sugar is dissolved is enough. Now add in some cardamom powder. You can add in saffron at this stage. Now add in all the powdered almonds. The almonds won't be fine powder, just little coarse is enough. Now you have to keep on stirring on medium heat. So what it does it, the almond will get thickened and it will form into a smooth ball. That's the stage you are looking for. You have to cook it on really medium, low to medium heat. You can see now the mixture is getting little bit thicker and it is leaving the sides. This is the right stage. At this point add in a teaspoon of ghee so the mixture forms into a nice ball. So that's it. You don't have to cook it more than that. Take the dough out and place it in the plate. Now use a rolling pin and roll it to the thickness you like. So the dough will be really smooth and it will be really pliable like a play dough. Now once it is set, cut it into squares and that's it. Your badam katli is done. So try this and let me know how it turns out for you.